Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, the beginner's method. Today we're going to show you a few simple steps and algorithms to help you guys solve it. First of all, let's get to know our cube a little bit better. This piece right here is called the centerpiece. It determines the final color of that face. This piece right here is called the edge piece. It has two colors, and this piece right here with three colors is called the corner piece. Also important to know is how we're going to be naming the faces of the cube for us to help solve it. This face right here is called the right face or R, left face or L, up face or U, down face D, front face F, back face B. If any of these letters have the letter I after it, that means that the movement of that face is going to be counterclockwise. So for example, say we have the cube and we want to move the upper layer. So that will be U. If it's just U by itself, that means it's clockwise, but if it's UI, that will mean it's counterclockwise, like so. Don't worry too much about it, you get the hang of it. First of all is step one, and that will be solving the top cross. Very hard to explain, but it's very simple to do. What we want trying to do is just get a cross on the top and match these edge pieces with the center piece of the second layer. So what we're going to be looking for is green edge pieces that are going to be right here on the top layer. So for example, we have this one right here, which is red and green. So these are already together, and if we just rotate this right side clockwise once, we would have it on the top layer and matching the centerpiece of the second layer, which is very important. Otherwise, will never get solved. So we're looking for edge pieces like this one, green and orange. Look for the orange centerpiece on one of the faces of the cube. So this one would be correct, but it's on the right place, but it's in the wrong position. To fix that, it's very simple. Just rotate the bottom layer clockwise once and rotate the right layer clockwise once, and now you'll have them lined up. And if you just rotate the front face counterclockwise, you would have it in place. So now we actually have already three of them. This one just happened to get together. This one also here is already fixed, so we just bring it up and it's solved. Alright, and now step two is solving the top corners of the cube. This one is pretty simple as well. What we're looking for is green pieces on the bottom layer that are facing towards us, and what we want to do is look at the other two colors. So in this case it's yellow and red. So we're going to be looking for yellow and red. So in this case right here it's yellow and red. So this corner piece we want to have it right up here. So we could just do like this, so it would be in the right place, but we got the other piece out of its correct place. So for that we're going to need a little simple algorithm. Would be bottom, left, bottom inverted, left inverted, and we got it in the correct place in the right corner piece. Now let's look for another one. We don't have any one in the bottom, but we do have one here on the top. If we just bring the front face, if we just do F, we will bring it to the bottom layer, and now we can just move the bottom clockwise once and just move this one back to its original position, and now we have another corner piece that is facing towards us, and we will look for the right place to put it. So it's going to be yellow and orange. So put it right where we want to have it in front of us. It's right here. So now it's going to be the same thing we did for the left side, but now on the right. So we're going to move this one out of the way, so it will be bottom, so BI counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, bottom clockwise, right clockwise, and voila, we got it in place. Now we got another one right here, red and white, so that one is going to be right here. So you want to position it as we did before, and algorithm will be bottom, left, bottom inverted, left inverted, and it's solved. Now let's go for this one. Okay, we have it in the right place, but we want to bring it down. Just do right inverted, bottom inverted, right. And now we got it out of the place, and we can bring it back to our position. We want to have it right there and do the same algorithm. Bottom, left, bottom inverted, left inverted. Alright, now we got the top layer all solved and the center pieces matching this in a little T form right here. And now we're good to move on to step 3, which is solving and completing the middle layer. This one is where the little bit longer algorithms get in place, but it's very simple. Don't worry too much. What we're going to be doing is looking for corner edge pieces that match this little T, but so we make it a little bit longer now. So it's these 3 pieces in line, and we got the orange here. So this orange piece wants to go to this side right here. To get this piece to here, what we want to do is the following algorithm. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Alright, now you can see it's right in position and it's in the right place. Now let's look for another one. For example, right here, we got orange and yellow. Let's position the orange on the orange face, and we got the yellow face that we want to put right in this corner. So again, we want to do the same algorithm. Up inverted, left, up, left, up, front. There we go. Let's see if it works. Front, up inverted, front inverted. And there we go. We got that one solved as well. Now let's go looking for another one. So right here you see we got three of them are already solved, and now we got one that is in the right place but it's flipped. To do that, we want to just bring it out. So I'm gonna take the same algorithm we did but for the opposite side, and we're gonna do up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Alright, now we brought it out, it's right here, and we want to bring it to the right side. So to do that, we're going to do the same algorithm to bring the piece to the right. So it would be up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And there we go. We got 2 layers solved. Now we have to move on to the 3rd layer. Very simple. Don't worry too much. So we get four possible scenarios at this point. It's possible that once we solve the 2 first layers, we want to flip the cube now, and we could have just the centerpiece solved, and then we would just use the algorithm for the step 4 a few times, and we will get the blue cross, which is our final goal for this step. We can already have the cross solved, and then we can just move on to the next step. We could have an L shape like this one right here, or we could just have a straight line. Anyhow, what we want to do is the following algorithm repeated until you have the cross on top. It's going to be front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted. Alright, now we got the cross. If you didn't get that at the first time, you might have the straight line. Just repeat it again and you'll get it, or as many times as you need to get the cross on top. But what we can see here is that at this point, not all the edge pieces are not matching with the face. So in this one, for example, we got the orange and the red facing the right place, but not the rest of them. So next step 5, is to solve the edge pieces of the top layer. To do that, we're gonna use one simple algorithm, which would be this one: right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Now just rotate until you match one of the colors. You got orange. We got the. All right. So you're gonna have 2 that are gonna be in the right position. Sorry about that. Like here, we got the white and the red. This happens most of the time. What we want to do is have the 2 that are matching, one to the right and one facing the opposite side of us, and repeat this algorithm that we just used. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Now Let's see if we got all of the pieces in the right place. As you can see, yes we did. We got the yellow, we got the orange, we got the white, we got the red, and we got the top cross. Next step 6 is to solve and get the right corner pieces in its place. So as you can see here, this is blue, red, and yellow, but it should be blue, red, and white. Get it? And the same here will be blue, orange, and it should be white instead of yellow. To do this, the best thing is to look for one of the sides that is solved if we have one. In this case, we do not. But doesn't matter. Just continue with just do this algorithm. We'll probably have to do it a few times to get it in place, but just repeat it one after another and just follow the directions. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up, inverted, left. Alright, now we got one of them in place. This one is also in place, but these two are incorrect. So what we want to do is have one of the pieces that are in the right spot facing us on the right side and repeat the algorithm. So it's going to be up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Alright, we're going to have to repeat this once again. Let's look for one of them corner pieces. This sometimes takes a few tries, sometimes it's at the first one. So up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Alright, now I believe we should have all of them in place. We got, you see here, red, blue, white, red, blue, white, red, orange, blue, red, yellow, blue, sorry, yellow. So all of them are in the correct place, and now just move on to the last step, which is the 7th step, which is to solve the corner pieces. This one, we're gonna repeat 4 simple moves, and to get these on the right place. And this one is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Repeat it again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Alright, we did this twice and we got it on the top layer. Don't worry too much about these other layers that are now mixed up. They will get in place by itself. And now we just rotate the top layer to get the next piece that we want to move to the right place. And we repeat. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Don't forget that last move, okay? Now repeat again. It's in the right place. Move the top layer to get to the next corner, and we'll do right inverted, down inverted, right, down. 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 And boom, we got 3 of them already in place. Let's go for the last one. Move it to the spot we want it. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Repeat again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And now you got it all solved. Just move this last piece, and there you go. You got the cube solved. Congratulations. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to solve it in probably about 3 minutes, and with a little bit of practice, you'll probably get down to 1.5 minutes. Stay tuned to more videos, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks.